This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section How Your Conditions Affect You. Part 3, Eating or Drinking. Question 18. Only answer yes to the following questions if you can do the activity safely, to an acceptable standard, as often as you need to, and in a reasonable length of time. Can you get food or drink to your mouth without help or being prompted by another person? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you chew and swallow food or drink without help or being prompted by another person? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, please use the given space to tell us more about how you eat or drink and why you might need help. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.